If you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos.
Aloha everybody, we are going to show you how to make our favorite Snowman pancakes. How we're going to decorate them, how we're going to make them. They're gluten-free, sugar-free. This little kid loves them. And you know what? I love breakfast for dinner. It's cheap, it's easy. I'm going to show you how I make breakfast for dinner. I'm going to make them in my blender, so then I have the batter in the blender and I can make them tomorrow, I can make them the next day. I make them all the time in the blender. So Kai, what I need you to do is crack 4 eggs into this bowl, okay? So you do that over here. I'm going to start. This recipe is awesome because you could either use a 1/2 cup of coconut flour or 2 cups of almond flour. I also have recipes that are 0 carb pancakes on mariamindbodyhealth.com if you want to check those out. But we're going to make these because they're this guy's favorite. So I need 2 cups of blanched almond flour, all right? And this is really cheap on Amazon, it's awesome. So 2 cups of that, all right? That goes right on into the blender. And then I am going to add, if you wanted to add a little bit of cinnamon, you can. Cinnamon, yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, a little dash of cinnamon, just add a little flavor. And then we're going to add a little bit of extract. Do you like almond extract?
I don't know.
Yeah, you do. Yeah. We'll add a little bit of almond extract, okay? And keep cracking. Oh, you got your eggs in there already. Awesome. I'm going to add a little bit of my Redmond real salt, okay? Always add salt to your desserts because salt is a flavor enhancer. It makes everything taste better, okay? And then I'm going to add a little bit of stevia glycerite. This is a non-bitter form of stevia that is thick like a honey. So I'm going to add like a teaspoon of that, 1/2 teaspoon of that. All right, the whole recipe is on mariamindbodyhealth.com. It's actually in Keto Comfort Foods, which is Halle Berry's favorite book, right, Kai?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. And then I have 2 tablespoons of coconut oil or butter. If you're dairy-free, these can be dairy-free. And we have Kai's eggs on in here. So I'm going to dump those in. There we go.
My hands are very sticky.
Their hands are very sticky. You could wash them. And then I'm going to add 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk if you have it. Unsweetened cashew milk. You could use unsweetened coconut milk if you have that. So 1 cup of that. Now, if you use coconut flour instead of almond flour, you use 7 eggs instead, okay? So, Kai, can you throw that back in the fridge? Thank you. We're going to add this. There we go. And you blend it up. You blend it, blend it, blend it. If you haven't tried the Easy Blender Cake, you should try that. It's really good. Now, you want to check how thick it is. Now, if it's too thin, you could add a little bit more almond flour to it. I don't think I measured totally right. If it's too thick, you could add a little bit more almond milk to it, okay? So just go with that. If it's too thin, you're going to end up with a crepe. If it's too thick, you're going to have a really thick pancake. If you use coconut flour, it takes a couple minutes to thicken. All right, so now this looks pretty good. I might add a little bit more. I know how you like your pancakes. Everybody likes different pancakes. I like a crepe. You guys like thicker pancakes, don't you?
Yeah.
Yes, you do. Yes, you do. And not all almond flour and coconut flour are created equal. Different brands create different results. So here we go. This is good. Okay, now I'm going to move this aside and get the pancakes going, Kai, all right?
Yay.
So let's turn this induction oven on. We're going to do a speed boost, okay? And we're going to use some spray. We have our Primal Kitchen spray. I love this non-stick pan. It's a non-toxic pan. All right, there we go. My live video has paused. All right, that's not good. There we go. Everything's still working for Craig? Mm-hmm. All right, so with the Snowman pancakes, you're going to do a small one for the head, a medium one for the body, and a big one for the bottom, all right? And then we're going to decorate it, which will be really fun. Okay, you ready? Small one, medium one, and a bigger one. And what I also do with pancakes is I'll make extra of just the pancakes, and then the boys can heat them up whenever they want to. So with these, you want to watch for the bubble. I got a little bit of water on here. You're going to watch for the bubble. Yeah. And then you're going to flip them. Meanwhile, let me turn this down a little bit. And while those make, we're going to make the toppings, okay, Kai? So let's get this on over here. We have a bunch of fun toppings, all right? We're going to use these for the body. We have some chocolate for the face. So what I did was I melted the good chocolate, and I love the good chocolate for many, many reasons. Just cocoa beans, erythritol, almonds, cocoa butter, salt, stevia, vanilla. Love it, love it, love it, love it. So I melted that, and I'm going to put it into a Ziploc bag. Here we have a Ziploc bag. How's that looking? Pretty good?
Yeah.
I'm going to put that into a Ziploc bag, and then I can just squirt that on for the mouth.
The medium one.
I don't have a piping bag, so this is what I'm going to use. All right. So we have that. I'll cut a little hole in the corner, and that's going to be for the mouth. And we have raspberries, and then we have this for the hat. Okay. We'll move that. All right. I have so much going on here. Let's dip these. Kai, do you have a joke for everybody? Oh, perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, why don't you stand over here and tell everybody the joke?
What is dinosaurs' most unliked reindeer?
What is what?
Dinosaurs' most unliked reindeer.
I don't. Oh, what is the dinosaur's most unliked reindeer? I don't know. Who?
Comet.
Comet! Ha ha ha! All right, cute Kai. Love it. So, here we have the body, and we have the head, and I flipped the bottom too early so it came apart. So we'll just work on this part first. Okay, so you can use bacon for the scarf, but I sliced Applegate deli ham because I didn't want to turn the oven on. It's too hot. So, I have that for my scarf. You could use a couple pieces if you wanted to, but I think that looks really cute. And then I'm going to use the sausages for the arms, for the stick arms. So this is like a hot, nice protein breakfast for the kiddos. Put this like this. Oh, maybe I'll put them like that. There we go. And let's see. Is that ready to flip yet? Maybe not quite.
Yeah.
I'm going to wait a minute. Okay. And then for the body, we have the raspberries. Cute, cute, cute. Could make these a little bit bigger. These are like ginormous raspberries. I don't even want to tell you how much they were at the store in the Maui. It's a joke that the whales, the humpback whales come here to have their babies and mate, and it's a joke. The humpback whales don't eat the whole time they're here. They fast the whole time. And it's a joke that they don't eat because it's too expensive. It's too expensive to eat in Maui. Oh, perfecto. All right. So I'm going to turn that down. Okay. Now, Kai's favorite part, whipped cream canister.
Yeah.
So we have our whipped cream, and I'm going to add the heavy cream to the whipped cream canister because we're going to make some snow. There we go. We'll just guggling that all in there. All right. Oops, sorry, bud. I'm going to sweeten it with a little bit of stevia glycerate. You could use Swerve if you want to, but this is what I have. If you want to add some extract, you could do that too, but I'm not going to. I like the pure cream flavor. And this is how you do it. This is the top, okay? Now I'm going to screw the top on. This is how easy this is. If you like whipped cream, let's turn this off. You're going to love these whipped cream canisters. Let me get the bottom over here too. There we go. Got the bottom, cute, cute, cute. I'm going to move this up because I want snow on the bottom. Snow on the bottom. All right. And then here is the piping mechanisms. Now you could pick whichever one you want. That's going to go on this part. This is going to be the decorator tool, okay? And now this is the handle, and you get these cartridges. I'd order these separate, and you just put that right on in there, and that goes on here. Here.
Make the noise.
Makes the noise. That's the noise.
Tight top. Tighten the top.
Tighten the top.
No.
Great, so you tighten the top. It is really tight.
Okay.
And then you shake it on up, and we're gonna make snow. But let's make the rest of the snowman. Okay, so now we need the face. So I'm gonna cut a little bit of hole. Excuse me, Mr. Kai. Okay, this is right in the way, isn't it? There we go. Now you can see the snowman. Can you see the snowman, Craig?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now we're gonna make the face. So we have the eyes. 1, 2. I should be letting Kai do it, I know. And then I'm gonna make the nose. I'm sorry. Oops, we have a huge nose. Ha, funny. And then we're gonna make little dots for the mouth, like the little pebbles. When I was a kid, we would make snowman and put little pebbles on the mouth.
Dang, that's a huge nose.
It is a huge nose, but it's still cute, right?
Yeah.
Still cute. And now, what am I forgetting? Oh, the hat. We have a strawberry for the hat. And where did the knife go? I have things all over the place. Cut this.
How do you
Put that for the hat. There we go. And the whipped cream. Here we go. We have a bunch of snow. I better shake this up. Let's test it, Kai. It went everywhere! Everywhere. Let's put it in here. It's not thickening yet. Shake it up. That's how it works here. Alright. So let's see if the snow works. There we go.
Oh, I wanted that part.
There we have snow. So here we have a snowman in the snow.
His arms broke.
His arms broke.
Yeah.
But here is our snowman pancake.
Yeah.
We hope that you make these for your kids because
Yeah.
it's so delicious. But, oh, you know what? If you're looking for a good syrup, I have a recipe for my own syrup on the flapper pancake. But we just found this new one made with allulose. It's made with monk fruit and allulose blend. And that's basically it. This is from Wholesome Yum. And we're going to dig into this tonight.
Mm-hmm.
So, mahalo, everybody.
Mahalo.
Sharing is caring. Share this video